I kid you not. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to invest your first $100 in using the WeBull app. So I've talked about WeBull here on the channel a lot. So if you haven't already checked out the platform, I'm gonna put a link in the description below so you can definitely go check that platform. And if you use that link, they'll give you 2 free stocks to get you started. One for just opening an account with them, and then another stock for depositing any amount. I think if you deposit $100 or $50, whatever, you get another free stock. So 2 free stocks are getting you started. In return for you doing that for me, I also get free stock. So just for full transparency, it's an affiliate link. So we're going to jump in here and take a look at the platform and see what they have to offer. Remember, I've actually done a video here complaining about how Robinhood is not set up for day trading. It's actually set up for people that do swing trading or for just people that are long-term investors. And so I've been like really researching on WeBull as well as Think or Swim to really see where I want to focus my effort as far as my day trading experiment goes. I call it an experiment because you never know. So we're gonna jump in there, and today for WeBull, my goal is to focus specifically on the mobile app. So the mobile app, the layout's a little bit different from what you find on the desktop app. I think the desktop app is, I mean, I love the layout on the desktop app, but again, everybody is mobile these days. So we should definitely take a look at the mobile app. And if at some point I do have time, I might do a video on the desktop app just to kind of show you guys. Or if I start using that particular desktop app for day trading, I'll probably just do a video showing you guys how everything works out in that app. So let's jump in and just see what the app actually has to offer. When you first launch WeBull, it's going to bring you to this home screen. As you can see here, it shows you it shows your account number, it shows your positions, and a lot of more information. So at the very bottom of the screen here, you would see that it has your watch list, it has the market, and then your community, and then some other menu options. So there's a lot of stuff going on in here. So we're gonna just take a look at this just one after another. So if we start with the watch list, so this is where you can actually track the stocks that you care about. So when you do research and you see a stock that you like, you can come here and add it to this list. And the beauty about this list is that you can actually customize it into maybe different sectors or different markets. So let's say, for instance, right here, so I have different watch lists. I have one that's just called my watch list that has everything, and then I have another one or multiple ones that have different positions or different stocks that I'm watching. So my position would show you the position I have on there. And then if we go back, see I have our stocks under $10, stocks under $20, stocks under $30. I have pharmaceutical, I have technology, energy, oil and gas, healthcare, ETFs, real estate. That list can go as far as you want it, depending on your personal needs. So this is really good. So again, if you just go down here, say add list. If you just click on that, you can give the name of the list and just put something in there and start tracking it, which is really good. It keeps you nice and organized. So if you go to market, it shows you the different markets. So you have the United States, you have crypto, and you have the global market. So look at it, shows you all around the globe, which is awesome. This is just, I mean, at your fingertips. This is great information right there at your fingertips. So if you care about crypto, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and all that good stuff, then United States, it shows you the Dow Jones, S&P, and NASDAQ. So again, there's so much information there. If you see here, it's showing you your top gainers for the day. And then if you scroll down a little bit, it shows you your top losers for the day. And then see most active stocks that got traded today. So CCL got traded a lot today, which is crazy. And then GE as well. And then hottest ETFs. And then, so hey guys, there's so much information here that you can benefit from. So that's that tab. And then if we go to this meter tab here, this is like your account. This is where you as the owner, you can see your board. So right now it's showing you my position, and then so if I want to do a quick trade, I can just click on quick trade. You have performance and deposit and all that good stuff. So I have two positions and they're not doing really good, so but I'm not worried about it. It's long term. So I have two positions in there. And you can look at this chart from a 1 month view, a 3 months view, a 6 month view, a year to date view, or a 1 year view. So those are different options that you can see. So if we just take this back to 5 days, so this is a 5-day view that you're seeing right here on the screen, and this is my positions. So if you have open positions, let's say you put a limit order and you're waiting for that to kind of fill, that would show up under open orders, so which is good. So right now I don't have any open orders. And then if we go to the community tab, this is where you have people talking about what's happening, different traders talking about what's going on and sharing their ideas, and just basically giving your opinion as to what's going to happen, stocks that they're looking at buying, and what they think is hot, what I think it's good. You meet with other people and just kind of exchange ideas. It's really great. And then so if you go under the menu here, this will bring you to your home screen, and so you have other things that you can actually see here. That's really great. So if we go back here, again, these are my positions that I have. If I want to do a quick trade, if I just click on that, and then I can search for whichever stock that I want. Let's say you want Apple, and just watch, it's going to come up, and then you have the option to buy Apple. And so you can do either a limit, a market, a stop, or one other one here is this one is called OTO. If you place an order and you want them to go in a sequence, you can actually set that sequence here, and then once one of the other executes, it's going to trigger the other ones to execute in that exact same sequence like you wanted them. So that's a really good feature that I kind of found here that you can actually use. So let's say if you do a limit order and there you can pick it. Here's one thing that I love about WeBull that Robinhood doesn't have. You see this feature down here. It says take profit and stop loss. This feature doesn't exist in Robinhood. And so Robinhood, you have to place your order, and once that order gets executed, you can run back in and go do stop loss or take profit. You cannot do both in Robinhood. You can only do one or the other. So, which is kind of crazy, but here you can do both at the same time. So I kind of like it. So yeah, if you go in a position, say $10, and you say, oh, I'm ready to take a loss of 5 cents per share, but I want to take a profit of $2, so you can set that up even before you hit buy. This is a really good feature. So I love it, and that's one of the reasons why I'm really considering moving all my day trading assets into WeBull. And then, so if you look at here, if you have any open orders, it would show here. At the moment, I don't have any open orders. Again, like I said, you have limit, market, stop, and OTO. And then here is another area where you can do, it just kind of shows you more information about your particular position. But this is for people that are doing options, and I'm not an option trader, so don't even ask me any questions about that. So there's one other thing that I really want to show you guys here that I think I like as far as research. So if you go under your watch list, let's say for instance, I pick my watch list here. Let's pick any stock. Let's say Trinity Biotech. You open that. So if you look here, this is the stock. It's showing you. You see, it gives you the news. It shows you comments that people are talking about. It shows you if it's kind of like a bullish or a bearish stock. Right now, if you see 89% bullish and 11% bearish, which is awesome. And then it gives you some sort of analysis. See, if right here they're telling you all analysts are saying it's a strong buy. And then here, excuse me. So you have the profile of the stock that you can actually read, just get a better understanding of what this stock does. So this is great. So I really love this app, and I think it's for you that's just starting out. There's so much information in here that might get people confused, but once you get a hand of it, trust me, it's really, really good. Compared to Robinhood, Robinhood is a lot simpler. for somebody that doesn't want to learn a lot. If you just want straightforward things, Robinhood is good. But this app has a ton of information that can definitely benefit you trading. So this video was actually how to invest your first $100 in WeBull. So now let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna pick a stock, and then we'll see how we can invest it, right? In this case, you can pick multiple stocks, but I'm just gonna pick one stock. So let's see if we do a quick trade. Let's look for ticker symbol BA. That is Boeing Company. As of right now, they are sitting at about $131.49. So I don't have $139.41. And WeBull hasn't given me the options to do fractional share trading. So that kind of sucks. So I have to go look for another stock that might trade, let's say, under $100. So I'm gonna go back to my watch list. I'm gonna pick, let's go under energy. And let's see, we can pick something like, let's say ET. So, and then, so if I want to buy ET, all I have to do is I can say trade, and it would bring up my trading window. And so if you see, I have $120 and some change as far as my buying power. So the current price is 502. And so I can either set a limit order to buy it at that price, or I can set a market order. I set a limit order to buy it at the price either lower or higher than that, or I can set a market order to buy it at exactly that price. So in this case, I'm gonna set a limit order so to buy it at say $5. So if you see drop down to $5, then I'm gonna buy it. Then I'm gonna say give me 10 shares of that. 10 shares of that is $50, I think. Estimated amount $50. Yep. And then I want to buy a limit order, execute. I don't want to take profit just yet, but if I wanted to take profit, I can set that here. So if it goes up to $5.05, I take profit. If it drops down between, if it drops down to $4.95, I want to cut my losses and run away. So you can set that up here, but I don't really care for that now. And so that's looking good. And then I can say place order. Unfortunately, regular trading hours has ended. If you would like to place this order, please select the extended hour tab. So let's go back. And then, so instead of day here, we'll select extended hours. Oops, sorry. So extended hours, yes. So it's looking like that. So by placing this trade, so we can say confirm. Let's see, we're buying. It's asking for my password, and then confirm. So there you go, guys. We just placed an order to buy 50 shares of ET energy transfer at $5 a piece. So in this case, this order is going to execute once this stock hits $5, and then we'll see what happens going from there. So that's just how easy it is for you to be able to invest your first $100. So I did invest at $50, but if you have $100, you can pick whichever stocks that best fit your need and invest that $100 into using WeBull. And again, it's commission free. You don't pay anything when you buy, you don't pay anything when you sell. That's just the bottom line. And then again, if you're just starting out, if you use the link in the description below, you get 2 free stocks. Again, like I said, one for just opening an account, and then another stock for you when you deposit into the account, which is awesome. So definitely take advantage of that. That's it, guys. So question of the day, what do you think about this platform? Do you think that it's too complicated, or do you think, oh my God, there's so many of them, I don't know which one to choose? Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We talk about how to make money, how to save money, how to invest money, how to build wealth. And if that's something that really interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because YouTube tells me that 90% of you guys watching